Los Angeles is experiencing a 20% improvement in air quality since February of this year. And in New Delhi, one of the most polluted cities in the world, there's a 60% reduction in an atmospheric particle that causes pollution. It's all thanks to this announcement on March 11th and the stay-at-home orders that followed.
We have therefore made the assessment that COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
Air pollution is deadly and contributes to 4.6 million deaths a year, according to the World Health Organization.
Because it exacerbates respiratory diseases, it exacerbates cardiac diseases.
So now, as cities begin to reopen, how long and will pollution levels stay down? The answer isn't great.
Now, in terms of this last thing, once you start to kickstart the economy again, you're going to wind up seeing increases in traffic and flows that give rise to these air pollutants.
In the United States, since the shutdown began, there's been a 96% decrease in air travel and a 30% decrease in traffic volume nationwide.
We're driving less, we're flying less, and so you'll have less of these activities that ultimately lead to air pollution in the atmosphere.
But in China, where cities are reopening, air pollution is already making its way back to pre-COVID levels. This was the nitrogen dioxide concentration caused by the industrial facilities and vehicles in December of 2019. A drop in this air pollutants concentration is seen at the end of January, coinciding with China's quarantine. But beginning in mid-February, when factories began slowly reopening, the concentration levels are seen reverting to pre-COVID levels.
One of the things we can learn from COVID about climate change is first and foremost the importance of acting aggressively and acting early.
Kind of is a preview to the world that we could have in terms of reduced air pollution, improved air quality. Shows you, I think, also that people are pretty willing to take pretty serious action to address a threat, right? And willing to follow rules. I think it really comes down to how different countries decide to re-stimulate their economies. For example, one thing that economies, the governments tend to do to try and get a lot of people back to work is infrastructure projects. What will those infrastructure projects look like? Will it be to build more coal power plants, or will it be to build wind farms? We'll have to figure out how to get the country back to work and in a way hopefully shift the US economy and the world economy towards a greener future.